How to use later social media. And then let's start a free trial. Let's start a free starter trial and let's create our account. So the first thing that we need to do is connect social profiles. So choose whichever one you want. You can select all of them. I'm gonna choose my Instagram. So let's allow everything. So here you go, Instagram is connected. And now we need to upload our media. So let's do that. Here you can upload images, videos, reels, and short form content. The media library keeps all of your content organized so you don't have to upload files every time you create a post. The second is creating a post. So we can add media here. Let me just add a random image. Add media, and now we can select the media that I already uploaded. You can drag it here, save changes. So now we can write a post or write a caption or something. So now we can add our caption, images or videos, hashtags, mentions, links, and later lets you customize the post for different social platforms if needed. Later also lets you schedule posts. Instead of just having like a calendar, there's actually a schedule with a timetable so you can time your posts compared to other posts. Now let's set up the link in bio. Now, instead of having just one website link on Instagram or TikTok, you can create a customizable landing page with multiple buttons and clicks. Now you can customize your link in bio. Let's say changes, go to design, we can make the design dark. And here we can view the analytics of the link in bio interactions. Now let's go to the analytics of our media, of our posts. And here you can monitor engagement, reach, audience growth, top performing posts, link in bio clicks, and profile performance. Analytics availability depends on your plan, with more historical data and advanced reports included in the higher tier subscriptions. Overall, Later Social is an excellent choice for creators, influencers, and small businesses and marketing teams want a simple way to manage social media from one dashboard. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.